Hey YouTube, on today's episode of Garage Boys, I'm going to show you a quick video on how to remove the serpentine belt on this Toyota Camry. It's a 2003, has a 2.4 engine. This will work between the 2000 all the way to 2006, I believe. Just keep on watching and you can see how to remove the belt. Also, check these other cars that I have up here for this. Click up here on the right corner and you can see other fixes on Toyota Camrys on this same vehicle. Actually, if you want to remove the AC compressor or if you want to fix your AC, you can click on that. So here we go. All right guys, so this is our engine. It's a 2.4 and the first step, remove the belt right here. So to remove the belt, if you come in here, and I'm gonna put a diagram of the belt after I show you the step on how to remove it so you can remember how to put it back. So just you don't have to look for it anywhere. I'm just gonna put it in this video. I'm gonna attach it, and as you can see, this is the alternator, this is the AC compressor down there, engine back there is probably the power steering, or I think this is the power steering. But anyways, this right here is the tensor. This is what we have to move back, the belt tensor. And see, Toyota put like a weird star in the middle of it because that's not usually. Some cars you put your tools there and you move back, but not in this case. So that's why they put that weird star, so you have to play with it. What you do is you come in here, and on the side you see this right here, this right there. Yeah, so right there you're gonna put your socket in there, and then you're gonna pull towards you. It's a size 19, also a 3/4. Both of them will work. I mean, it's not a big deal. But I'm gonna actually use a 3/4, it's a 19, size 19 millimeters, or 3/4. And then I'm just gonna put this in here just so you can see where it's gonna go. See right there. I'm gonna put my ratchet right there, and then I'm gonna pull towards me, and I'm gonna remove the belt. All right, guys. So as you know, that's where you put the socket. As I mentioned before, I just put the ratchet. Now you're just gonna push down. So I pull towards you. It's gonna be clockwise. I'm just gonna put a pipe, as I always say, go ahead and pipe it. When you pipe this here, as you can see, you start releasing pressure, and then you can just remove your belt. So make sure you don't get your fingers, it's dangerous. But let's see. There you go. Okay, so it's out, guys. That's how you remove the belt on the Toyota Camry. There's a 2.4 engine. I hope you enjoyed it. It's an easy job. You can do it yourself. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. Thanks.